Hi there, let me quickly walk you through how to set up the lead qualification template. Now it does all the heavy lifting for you. It's just like you need to configure your calendar. So the first step, if you don't know where to find it, is you go on the getting started page, and somewhere here you will see a install template under qualifying leads. So you click this button and then you will arrive here. And so this is the lead qualification assistant, which will install these 4 templates, sub-templates kind of. So it's first the main assistant, the lead qualification, that does all of the work. Then it has a helper. So the assistant has an assistant, if it makes sense. And it's the one which handles the demos. So in this case, it's like you schedule a demo, but it can also be an appointment if you're doing sales. So with a call to action on book a call, right? It can query schedule, meaning it can extract the available times on your calendar and allow the prospect to choose a time slot that works for them. And obviously, like, it can book a demo. So we just click install. And we go to the assistant. Now, if for whatever reason, like you've clicked somewhere else and now you don't know how to find the screen, it's really easy. You just go to AI assistants and you'll see 2 assistants here, which are part of the template. So the lead qualification and the scheduling assistant. And more often than not, you will need to work with the lead qualification assistant. Now, this is how you set it up. So just really quickly, you can go over these goals, and right now they are focused on FlowXO. So in your case, like, you just replace the company name here with whatever, like you replace it by clicking edit, and then you can edit all of this text. The persona, you can name it, you can make it whatever you want to. You can even make it a pirate. It's really cool. You can give it another name. And then these are just the processes that we found to work for our case. Our case is just if somebody wants to build for us to build a bot for them, like, these are kind of the parameters, right? And just go through them and edit them one by one. You can delete stuff, you can add stuff. It's really up to you. It gives you a really solid base on what you can do. With that said, the next thing that we want to take a look at is how to configure the calendars, which will be the next video. So go and watch it.